Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back and thank you. Today we're going to be focusing on a beginner level power flow sequence. It's a little bit under 20 minutes, so whenever you're ready, let's get started. We're going to go ahead and start off with a bit of a warm-up. So whenever you're ready, we're going to go ahead and begin at the back of your mat. We're going to go ahead and inhale the arms all the way up towards the sky. Exhale down to a forward fold. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, forward fold. We're gonna go ahead and walk our hands out for a downward facing dog. Right here, go ahead and just pedal those feet out. We're gonna go ahead and place the top of our right foot right on top of the left heel, and then we're gonna press that left heel towards the ground. Go ahead and release. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Slowly release and pedal those feet out one more time. We're going to inhale to a high plank. Exhale to a chaturanga. Inhale, cobra or upward facing dog. Go ahead and tuck those toes under. Back to a downward facing dog. Go ahead and walk the hands back to the feet. Go ahead and exhale for a forward fold. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale the arms all the way up towards the sky. Exhale, hands to heart center. We're going to go ahead and do that one more time. Inhale, arms all the way up towards the sky. Exhale, forward fold. Go ahead and sway side to side. You can go ahead and bend your knee here. Bend the other knee. You're going to inhale, flat back. Find some open space. Exhale, back to a forward fold. We're going to walk our hands out for a downward facing dog. Don't mind my cat. We're gonna go ahead and pedal those feet out one more time. Inhale to a plank. Exhale to a chaturanga. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward dog, curling the toes up. And then from here, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna be in high plank. You're going to want to squeeze your core here. You're going to go ahead and inhale the right leg up. From here, we're going to go ahead and bring that knee to our right elbow. Then to our left elbow. Back to our right. Then to our forehead. And slowly release, meeting it with the left leg. We're going to inhale to a three-legged dog, lifting the right leg to the sky. And then we're going to slowly, with control, bend that knee, bring it towards the front, and then placing it right in between those hands. From here, we're going to go ahead, find our balance. We're going to go all the way up to our crescent lunge. Making sure your ribs are tucked in. Nice deep breaths here. Inhale as you lengthen, exhale as you deepen. Good, from here we're going to go ahead and twist to the right, bringing our left hand to the front, our right hand behind us. From here we're going to bring our hands to heart center. Then we're going to place our left tricep right on top of our right thigh. Go ahead and you can keep your gaze either straight or look towards the sky. Good, we're going to slowly release, untwisting. Bring our arms all the way towards the sky again for our crescent lunge. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and do some balancing poses. So You're gonna feel some wobbles. That's totally okay. If you ever fall, don't worry, just go ahead and get back into the pose. So from here, we're gonna go ahead and bend that front knee a little bit, transition onto all our weight onto our front leg. We're gonna go ahead and go into our left toes. And then when you're ready, we're gonna go ahead and hug our left knee to our chest. Take nice deep breaths here. Really activating those hamstrings, the glutes, the quads. Then from here, we're gonna go ahead and use our right hand, grab that left knee, and then we're gonna extend our left arm all the way out. Good, exhale back to center. From here, we're gonna go ahead and slightly bend that right leg. We're gonna extend the left leg all the way out, and then bring our arms all the way forward for a warrior three. It's okay if you wobble here, if you fall out, that's totally okay. And from here, we're gonna go ahead, drop that back leg, come back to our crescent lunge. Nice deep breaths. From here, we're gonna go ahead and straighten that front leg for our triangle pose. You can either place your right hand on your shin, on your foot, or on the ground, however you're feeling today. From here, we're going to go ahead and give a good bend in that right knee. Place our right forearm on that thigh for a good side angle stretch. From here, our next exhale, we're going to go ahead and go into a warrior two, keeping our gaze towards the front, making sure our ribs are tucked in. Good. From here, we're going to go ahead and straighten that the front leg, pivot those toes in. Then we're going to go ahead and go all the way down for a wide-legged forward fold. From here, if you'd like, you can go ahead and softly bend each knee. Good. From here, we're going to go ahead and place both hands on the ground right in front of us. And then we're going to go ahead and do a side stretch for our right side. So go ahead and slowly bend that right knee, lifting those left toes. You can place your right hand on the ground, left arm towards the sky. You can stay here if you'd like, but if you want to go a little bit more advanced, go ahead and bring both hands to heart center, placing that right tricep right onto that right thigh. Good. From here, we're going to go ahead, placing those hands on the ground. We're going to go ahead and place that big left toe on the mat. And when you're ready, you're going to go ahead and push yourself off on your right leg and then go to the other side, lifting those right toes up to the sky. Again, here you can place your left hand on the ground, bring your right arm towards the sky, or if you'd like, bring both hands to heart center. From here, we're going to go ahead and place both hands on the ground. Go ahead and place that right big toe on the mat. And we're going to shoot back up for a wide-legged forward fold. From here, we're going to go ahead and pivot our left toes out. And we're going to go ahead and use both of our hands to frame the foot. Placing both hands on the ground, we're going to send that left foot back for a downward facing dog. And go ahead and pedal those feet out. Good. From here, we're going to inhale to our high plank. Whenever you're ready, we're gonna lift the left leg up, bend that knee, bring it to our left elbow, then bring it to our right elbow, back to our left, and then to our forehead. And then we'll slowly release, bringing it back to meet the right. And then when you're ready, inhale as you lift that left leg all the way towards the sky for a three-legged dog. And then slowly and with control, you're gonna bend that knee and try to frame it right in between those hands. Good, once the foot is framed, we're gonna go ahead and come up for our crescent lunge pose. Making sure those ribs are tucked in. Take nice deep breaths. On our next exhale, we're gonna go ahead and twist to the left, making sure our right hand goes forward. Left hand's behind us. Good, from here we're gonna go bring our hands to heart center, placing that right tricep right above that left knee on that thigh for a twist, an easy twist. Your next exhale, we're gonna go ahead and move back to our crescent lunge. Then from here, we're gonna start off doing the balancing postures on our left side. So whenever you're ready, go ahead and place all the weight onto that left foot. Keep a soft bend in that knee. Going onto those right toes whenever you're ready. Slowly bringing that right knee to the chest. Then we're gonna go ahead and grab that right knee with our left hand. Extend our right arm all the way out behind us. Nice and slow. And then from here, whenever you're ready, we're gonna go back to center. Give a good bend in that left leg whenever you're ready. We're gonna slowly transition to a warrior three, extending that right leg back, arms forward. It's okay if you're a bit wobbly here. Just a few more breaths. Good, from here we're gonna slowly, with control, drop that back foot, back to our crescent lunge. Make sure those ribs are tucked in. From here we're gonna go ahead, straighten that top leg to our triangle pose. Again, you can touch your shin, your toes, or the ground. Our next exhale, we're gonna go ahead and bend that left leg for a side angle stretch, placing that forearm right on top of that thigh, making sure our right is towards the sky. Our next exhale, we're gonna go into a warrior two. Left hand forward, ribs tucked in, gaze right into that, right in front of us. Good, from here we're gonna go ahead and straighten that front leg. We're gonna pivot those toes in for a wide-legged forward fold. Good, now we're just gonna go ahead and pivot our heels in only. Then we're gonna go ahead and bring your arms all the way out like a T. Give a soft bend in those knees and slowly come all the way up. And we're gonna do a couple goddess poses. So we're gonna inhale our arms up, and then exhale. We're gonna bend those knees and we're gonna have cactus arms. We're gonna stay here for a few breaths. Good, inhale the arms all the way up, straightening out those legs. Exhale, bring it back down. And then inhale, arms up. And then last time, exhale for our goddess pose. Good, inhale, arms up. Exhale to a wide-legged forward fold. Almost go there. From here, we're gonna go ahead and heel toe our feet a little bit more than hip width distance apart. Then we're gonna go ahead and point our toes out. Then we're gonna go and squat down for our yogic squat, placing both our elbows on our knees, taking a few breaths here. Okay, whenever you're ready, we're going to go ahead and place our right hand on the ground. Extend our left arm all the way up towards the sky. Good, exhale, hands to heart center. Other side, placing the left hand down. Right arm towards the sky. Good, exhale, slowly release. From here, we're just going to go ahead and place the hands on the mat and make our way to a seated position. Good, making sure we're sitting up nice and tall. We're gonna go ahead and inhale, arms all the way up towards the sky. Exhale, we're gonna go and twist to the left, placing our right hand on our left knee, and our left hand behind us. Go ahead and inhale, arms all the way up towards the sky. Take it to the right, placing that left hand on that right knee, right hand behind us. We're going to slowly release. Inhale, bring your arms all the way up towards the sky. Exhale, hands down to heart center. From here, we're gonna go ahead and slowly walk our hands out for our easy pose forward fold. Take nice deep breaths today. I want you to set an intention. Once that intention is set, we're going to go ahead and slowly walk our hands back up. Then we're going to go ahead and place them right behind us for our heart opener. Slowly squeezing those shoulder blades together, dropping the head back, opening up the throat. And slowly bring our head back into neutral. Releasing those hands. Inhale, our arms up all the way up to the sky one last time. Exhale, hands to heart center. I want you to thank you for letting me guide you in your practice today. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. Namaste.